Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display, cargo area light, retained accessory power. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.